I thought I was going to be an actor. I thought I was going to be a lawyer. And then, I think teaching found me. I started teaching classes. I started investigating, looking at teaching, and I realized that it's exactly what I need to do with my life. I think the greatest challenge that we have as educators is to recognize that our students need more care. They need more personal relationships. They need more education that relies on creating relationships, not only in the classroom, but making sure that their unique talents and skills can be used to make them the people to change the world. I think that if students walk away from my class and are saying that what is the one thing they can take from it, it would be that they are a more empathetic person. The great thing about being in a theater classroom is that we get to every day not just talk about the empathy with having empathy with other people, but rather we literally get to live other lives of those around us, right? I modify my lessons to help students getting to know who they are. I want to make sure that they succeed, because students, especially in a theater classroom, a performing arts classroom, they come to you at different levels. They really do. They come to you at different performance levels, either higher achieving students, greater actors, or students who are struggling to achieve basic concepts. And so what I can do is I can pinpoint exactly what they need so we can all rise up. And then the great relationships that students build with each other can also, if you create that community and that culture, then you can really create a classroom that inspires students to succeed at higher levels.